Welcome to Graphic Tracer. Let's take a look at how to recreate a logo with gradient fills and turn it into a scalable vector graphic that can be used for any purpose. These flowers are created using different radial gradients, but Graphic Tracer only works with solid colors. We will begin by clicking Automatic to let the program extract the colors from the image. Graphic Tracer extracts the colors white, green, red, blue, orange, and yellow. You can see a swatch for each color has been created. The gray color in the text was not detected, so we will use the color picker tool to add it by clicking on the text. Next, we click the Process button to convert the image into solid colors. Because of the tone colors, some of the areas are misinterpreted, so we need to fix this before tracing the image. You can add tones to a color swatch by pressing the Shift key and clicking Colors in the image. We select the yellow color swatch. Now we want to add the darker shade of yellow in the center of the flower to this swatch. Pressing the spacebar displays the original bitmap with gradient fills. At the same time, press the Shift key. This will add a small plus next to the cursor. You can now click the darker tone to add it to the yellow swatch. Next, click Process to see the results. You can see the innermost part has become yellow, but not the whole circle. Add one more shade of yellow by pressing the spacebar and Shift and then clicking in the area that was not interpreted as yellow. Click Process again, and the center of the flower is now solid yellow. To fix the blue petals, we select the blue color swatch and then press the spacebar and Shift. Click the dark blue area to add that color to the blue. Then click Process to see the results. The blue flower now looks correct, so we move on to the red one. We fix the orange center the same way as we did the blue flower. Add the dark color tone to the center of the ring in the orange color swatch and then click Process. The center of the flower is now solid orange. Let's now add dark red to the red color swatch in the same way and click Process to see the results. When the colors for all the areas look correct, we click Create Vectors. The graphic can now be edited and the text can be identified and replaced with the correct font in Graphic Tracer. When finished, we can easily export the graphic to any other graphic design software. In this video, we are using CorelDRAW. Click Save and then click that the correct version of CorelDRAW is selected in the click link box. We can now click Transfer to export the graphic directly into an open page of CorelDRAW. To recreate the tone gradients, we import the original bitmap and place it next to our vector graphic. Now ungroup the imported image. Start by selecting the blue petals and then combine them into one object. This is easily done with the shortcut keys Ctrl-L. Now we select the Fill tool and click the Tone Fill option. Select the Centered Toning option. Click the center color box and change the color to black. The blue petals now look like the original bitmap image. Select the center circle of the first flower and activate the Fill tool again. Next, we click the Tone Fill option and select Centered Toning. Click the center color box, then use the color picker tool to select the center color from the original bitmap image. Proceed to the second flower and fix the fills the same way. Select the petals and then combine them. Use the Gradient Fill tool and make the center black. Then select the outer color box and extract the red color from the original bitmap using the color picker tool. You can adjust the center of the gradient fill by moving the slider along the gradient axis. When the gradient looks good, select the center ring in the flower and fill it with a gradient. Change the center color by picking it from the original bitmap. The vector image is now complete and ready to be printed in any size without loss in quality.